having a book where all the designs that are built into the machine are printed off and came with my machine. But on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3, I was noticing I didn't have one of these books. Now, I know this is for a FOF and it's for the FOF Icon 2, and these are not the designs that are in the machine, but this is what I was hoping to find because there's so many designs built into here. So I was even asking my friends, did I miss getting this in my box? And then they all said, nope, it just wasn't included. And then I did this. I was playing around and I went to the Joy OS sewing area of the advisor section, and I went over to embroidery and watched this. Up came the design booklet tab, the very first one, and it has a QR code. Now, if you're not familiar how to do this, let me show you. Go ahead and first touch it. So this is the digital version of the entire book. That also means that I'm going to be able to print this entire thing off if I want. Now that's a lot, I know, but let's say I was going to do a certain design, then I can just print a page of the design I'm working on. So talk about saving paper, saving extra shipping weight for everything. So what you want to do is you want to open up your phone and open up your camera. You're going to align the camera so a yellow circle, it will naturally go to that QR code. When it sees it, there's going to be a yellow link at the bottom here, and when you touch it, it will open up the link to the entire book of all the designs. Now I was in here looking because I was looking for a certain design, but there's over 287 pages. So right at your fingertips, you can even have this with you and be looking at designs like, I wonder what I want to embroider next when I get home. So if you're one to kind of like love to look at designs, you can slide in and look at how many colors and how big it is. Remember, you can size it. So there's lots of options that you can do along the way. Here on page 200, I was looking to see if I still had this design. This is a little bag that you can create. The directions are all here, and you can have it fully embroidered and super easy. Change those colors out, change the background out. This has actually got a silk Dupioni fabric, and we made a very elegant bag, but these designs are in the machine. I feel like so many people don't use them, and so there's lots of options with the how to get it all together and like what you need to do for stabilizers for some of the in the hoop projects. So right now, everything is at my fingertips and I don't have to lug a heavy book around. Now, if you forget where that is, all you have to do, come back in here, rescan the QR code, and you'll be back in business. Now, we've been doing a ton of free YouTube videos on the Designer Epic 3, and you will find a complete list right here at the end if you want to start from the beginning and start mastering this machine from the start. We also have online courses where we explain more of the MySewNet and the Wi-Fi capabilities of this machine in our Husqvarna Viking Bootcamp class. So if that is something of interest, you can watch free lessons, and I'll put a link below that you can check out and see if that course would be right for you. Once again, I am always amazed at how many things are built into this machine, and today was just one of those aha moments, and I'm so excited to find exactly what I needed right here on the screen.